Hello, my name is Thorsten and I'm the president of GibbsCAM. GibbsCAM is one of the technical leading CAM solutions for the advanced technology. So I would say the more complicated, the more we love the parts. 5-axis and more, multitask machining, Swiss machining, that's where we feel at home. We have a huge range of products which are manufactured, programmed with GibbsCAM. So it is aerospace, defense, medical, general manufacturing. We can cover already a lot with our own simulation, but we're coming to a certain point where it makes sense to bring in Vericut into the game. What can they achieve? The maximum of security. They have a great CAM software. They have a great verification, simulation, optimization. And I think this gives a guarantee to have best quality in shortest possible cycle time. So let's say that components or wings, for example, is quite long, maybe 10 meters, 20 meters. If you would make trials on this with practical parts, it's very cost intense. And in the meantime, I'm in software business for more than 20 years now, and I know from other industries how the quality of simulations have grown, and it's the perfect option to do it with software. We are both part of the Sandvik Group, and at Sandvik Group we are on the way, let's say, to offer more end-to-end solutions, seamless. We are a very good example how this works already on the technical base, on the human base, so the people working, people make business with people, so we are acting together. Technology is accelerating heavily. AI is coming into the game more and more on both sides, so that are the drivers for the future, and that are the big benefits outstanding or coming for the users. And I think if they invest in GibbsCAM and Vericut, they are on the right way to be on the, I always say, on the tip of the arrow of technology. I don't get paid for this comment, but I really like the cooperation with Vericut because I know the president Shin, I know the developers, I know the salespeople. It's an open and trustful cooperation, and that is so like it should be. It's really a win-win situation we have created here.